Hi, this is a brief video brought to you by Unotifi to demonstrate how to set up your Unotifi Communicator app for a technician so that they can send photographs and videos to the service advisor so that they can then forward them on to a customer with any notes that they may wish to add. This is posted on the service advisor's Unotifi app on their desktop or their mobile device as a pending message. The settings that we're about to go over are for any iOS mobile device such as an iPhone or an iPad. What you would do is you would simply click on the Unotifi Communicator app. If you need to log in. In this case I'm already logged in. You'll then click on the More option on the bottom right hand side of your screen, and then you would go to Settings. Once you're in the settings phase or stage, you would go ahead and toggle some of these options off. So you would disable appointments, you would disable recent, you will leave search as active in case an ASM or a technician would like to search for a specific customer. You would disable opportunities, disable pending, disable cases, disable message alerts, and most importantly you'll enable pending messages. It says messages are pending. And then lastly, what you want to do in the setup is where it says repairs for last, you might want to increase these a couple of days, because if your dealership typically has repair orders open as long as, let's say, 14 days, you might want to make that setting 14 days. If you're a dealership where sometimes vehicles may be there as long as 30 days, you can increase that to 30 days. And that concludes and completes the setup. Once you're finished, you can just simply go over to the repair orders